Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, be rest assured, if you click on my video, we're going straight into the point. So guys, if you look closely at this market, this is GBPUSD, and guys, this is last week move. Last week was crazy. I know I said in my last weekly analysis that it was going to consolidate, but it did not. But gold did consolidated. But pound did not. Pound dropped drastically. I do not know what's happening in London right now, and I say I legit don't know what's happening in England, but this drop is massive. And this is like this is pound turning into something else. Yeah, I see pound selling the whole year. Yeah, I really see pound selling the whole year. But guys, this is where we should hold up. Today we're going to start with pound. Don't come to this market this week and try to sell pound. That's a very dangerous move to make. If you look closely, pound is dropping now, but this is a daily time frame, by the way. Pound is dropping, but don't pay attention to these. For real, do not pay attention to these. This market, I've studied this candlestick so closely that I know how they make these moves, and it's funny, they just trap some of us, but no. If you're wise enough and patient enough, you will not fall into this trap, at least today. So guys, if you look closely, this market is selling right now, and something I noticed about candlestick, anytime a candle opens and goes a particular direction, 90% of the time it reverses and closes the opposite direction. For example, now pound is selling. This is the time frame and pound is selling. It might sell for the whole of tomorrow or the whole of today. But guess what? The week, I say myself for the whole of today, myself for the whole of Asian session. London session, it might reverse and start going up, and it will close a buy. I feel like this market is going to close a buy today. So you should. This is Monday, as early as 1 o'clock in the morning or Monday morning, Nigerian time. So I feel like it's going to close a buy. And another thing you should pay attention to: anytime you see a big engulfing candle like this, or a mudubuzu, anyhow you want to call it, the market always retraces a bit before it continues in that direction. So yeah, this is something to take home about. It's something to take home. So yeah, let's go to gold. I don't want this video to be long, so I'll try my best to keep it short and simple. So first of all, let me drop to the weekly. I might come back to pound if I need to. Let me drop to the weekly. Today I will not do any analysis on dollar index. So I will leave dollar index out of the whole thing. I'll leave dollar index out of the whole thing today. So yeah, first of all, I'll clear my charts. Let me clear my charts. Now the market is doing what, or my system or my everything is doing what it has always done before. So yeah, if you realize, guys, last week, what we always come to look for in the weekly, last week candle engulfed the previous week. This is the only thing I want to see in the weekly. So another thing I would like to see is to draw out this zone. This zone really sticks. This is the last swing low in gold. It's a downtrend. So how we define a downtrend is lower lows and lower highs. So this is the last lower low. So give me a minute, guys. Let me edit this thing immediately. Give me another minute to drop it here, and give me another minute to take it back. Okay. So yeah, this is the last swing low. So the next thing I do is to go to the daily. So now in the daily, I said something in my last week analysis. I said pound and gold was going to consolidate, but pound and gold did not. Only gold did. So if you look closely, guys, you'll see that gold did consolidated around these areas. This zone I want to point out now. I'll just start from here for reference sake, because of course it looks good to draw this zone from this level. So I'll do the same thing down here, and I lost a trade here too because I was faked out. It always happens, so I'm not even pained. I was faked out. It always happens. So now what I'm expecting gold to do, but if you look closely, it consolidated here. It was so choppy. Like last week was not the week for gold. So pound was my week. I made lots of money in pound. So but last week wasn't it for gold. So if you look closely, guys, what I want and what I'm expecting this market to sell, by the way, this week. And yeah, of course, all my weekly analysis have been dope. I'm expecting this market to sell. So I want to see something like this. I want to see the market go back to this consolidation zone and drop. it's most likely gonna do something like this. So yeah, next week analysis will confirm that this is a prophecy. Yeah, so it will go back here, test and drop. So I'll be looking to take my sales from this area. So for that reason, I'm going to put a line. I just like this thing being like this. I'll put a line, and I just hope it matches with my fib zone and everything. Let me try to draw a fib. Now I won't draw a fib because I'm not even sure the market is going to end there before it starts going on. So yeah, this is my take on gold. It's going to sell, but first of all, I need a retracement back to this zone where it tested and played with so many people's money. Now let's go back to this pan and do a proper analysis. Let's go to the weekly, and so you see what's going on here. So if you see this candle, this is a very dangerous place. This is a very dangerous place. So we'll clear the charts. Let's clear the charts. Remove all drawing. So this is a very dangerous candle. What you should do, guys, is to wait for this market to retrace a bit. I see this week closing bullish, but that does not mean the trend is going to change. I see the week closing bullish. Anytime the market makes a big move, you always need to breathe in before you now continue the move down. So I will most likely stay away from pound this week because I'm not trying to buy in a selling market. I would like to see a clear sell signal before I enter. But I'll be updating you guys as usual. You know how I do the thing. So yeah, guys, this is the daily time frame, and yeah, like I said, we should wait for a retracement. I don't even know where to draw a zone like this. I'm not drawing any zone here. I don't need to. The only place the only good place I would like to draw a zone is here, because as you can see, the market paid respect to this area. Drawing a zone here is kind of why. The only thing I'll do here is to draw psychological levels, and yeah, that's another gem, guys. Psychological levels, that is true. But of course, trying to draw psychological level is going to make this video very long. So what I'll do is to just tell you guys how to draw the psychological level, and maybe you go do it by yourself. So yeah, guys, if you look clearly, psychological level are flat numbers. If you look here, you're going to see 1.1100 and the rest. So these are where you draw a psychological level. They are flat numbers. So yeah, this is the first one. So you do the same. You copy this and just do it on your own. I'm not going to do it because I'm not even paying attention to this market this week. I'm sure 90% I'm not taking a trade on this market this week. So that's my take on the weekly analysis. So guys, do well to subscribe, like, and just comment on this video. Let's communicate. Let's make this place a zone. Like, let's create, how would I put it? Let's create a community and just get close. And we're all beginners. I'm 2 years plus in this industry, and I know a little bit about the market. So we could just come together and join our heads and do something nice. So guys, like, subscribe, and comment. Yeah, it's you and Ops again. I'm signing out, by the way. So guess what? Peace.